Hey folks, Mike from Mike's Auto Detailing. What we have here is a 14 Toyota Tundra that we did last week, a full buff and polish and then ceramic coated. As we were progressing around the vehicle, we noticed there was a pretty good dent right here under the mirror, and I called the customer and said, would you like to get that dent fixed before we ceramic coat it? And he said, yeah, I didn't think about that, let's do that. So I went ahead and got all the rest of the truck done. It's been detailed inside and all. So then we buffed and polished these two panels, but we did not ceramic coat them. So that wouldn't interfere with the paint. So right now we're taking everything apart, getting all the moldings off. We've already removed an emblem right here. And then we're going to take the nameplate off, vent shades, mirror will come off. Door handle will come out, and probably pull the headlight loose. We'll be fixing in here, priming this, prepping the rest of the panel, both of these, and then painting and clear coating both panels, and then putting it all back together. So we'll have you along for the ride. Enjoy, and we'll be back in just a little bit. Alright folks, so we got pretty much the body work done on the outside of the door, and so now in order so we don't have moldings and things on the outside of the door when we paint it, we've got to take all that stuff off. That means taking this door panel off right here, everything off here, undo the power window, run the power window down, and pull the rubber out of here, and to get that all out of the way so we'll have no body or no paint line and no place for the paint to peel in the future. So we're going to be removing this panel, getting in here to undo the mirror, removing the mirror. That's probably a power mirror, so we'll have to unplug that, take the vent shade off, and then running the window down, and then pulling the glass, the seal out of there, and we'll have you all in on that, so hang on. Alright, so first of all, there's a screw down in here that's covered up with a piece of felt. You got to get this cover off right here, pull this up with the electronics for the glass, and there's a little clip right here that has to be removed as well, and that's what we're going to do. Nothing down low here, and then we'll use a plastic tool to pop loose this door. So here we go. thought I'd try to explain this. This is where the cables come in and hook into your door handle. There's a lock and a door handle. So there's two cables. One hooks up here. This is the lock button. And the other one down here is where the door handle cable connects. There's two balls that have to slide down into that socket. The same with into this socket. And so if I can get you in here on the door, maybe, you can see right there's the cable. So they're going to slide into them, snap in, and then we're going to hang this door panel and get it all secured. So hang in there. Alright guys, we got two emblems that's got to go back on the vehicle. One is it says Force 5.7B8 goes on the door. The other one is this Tundra emblem, and on the back you can see there's no adhesive. Same with this, no adhesive. And so I make sure that all the old adhesive is off of there so it's clean on both of them. And then I have some adhesion promoter that I put on to make sure that our two-sided tape sticks. And so you just wipe this on, and this makes it so your two-face tape will stick. And you have to let that dry a little bit before you put your two-face tape on. Kind of hard to see when you're actually getting something out here. But alright folks, Mike from Mike's Auto Detailing again. Again, here's the wrap up on this 14 Toyota Tundra. We've been doing all kinds of video with this thing, and last week we did a full buff polish and ceramic coat, and did the complete interior. And I think I had said earlier that the customer decided he wanted to get a dent fixed, which was right in here. In there, and so we did everything ceramic coated and did not ceramic coat these two panels. So now I've refinished, repaired, and refinished those two panels there. So here in about a month we'll have him back and then put the ceramic coat on those two panels. So that's where we're at. We're going to do a walk around right now, and so hang right on. Get you going here. Alright, here we go. Here's from the front. Came out really nice. This paint was kind of dull, very scratched, had some really deep scratches along the sides. And I've just washed it and dried it, but there's still some water running out of a few places. But anyways, this is black, straight black, no metallic, but it really come out nice, shined right up nice. And he was able to come see it at the end of the week last week, and but he's going to be excited about his having that repair done on his fender and door. So this is a 14 and excellent condition, especially now after it's been all buffed up, polished, and ceramic coated. So now all the water and debris from the road is going to come off a lot easier. It's going to be easier to maintain. And this is what we want to have typically for a delivery. And this fella is going to be really happy. So everyone, thanks for watching the video. It's been quite a process, and you guys make sure you share and like and follow and all that good stuff. And so from Mike's Auto Detailing, God bless, and we'll be back with more stuff for you real soon.